everyone. This is an issue that comes up with getting the middle layer. You probably tried to get the middle layer, and what happens is that there's not a piece here to put on this side here, because our top layer is going to be yellow and all these pieces have yellow. So what you do is you do what I call putting in a placeholder. And so I'm going to go ahead and do the same algorithm I would normally do and put this piece right here. That will put the pink here, but I'll get yellow there. And I do the algorithm, and then it'll give me a piece that will pop up. This piece will pop up, and I can use this one. So for example, I want this piece to go here, so I'm going to use I'm going to go upper inverse, sorry, go away from it. So I'm going to use the second algorithm here and do that. So we're going to go upper inverse, left inverse, upper, left, upper, face, upper inverse, face inverse. So what happened is the pink and yellow got here, but that piece that was here went back here to the back of it. So now I can do this piece, and this piece goes here. So now I have a piece. That's the only one I can do right now. So and that one is going to be this top algorithm. So you're going to do upper, right, upper inverse, right inverse, upper inverse, face inverse, upper, and then face. So I got that piece here. And hopefully we still have a piece here, but another one popped up here. So I'm going to put this pink and line my pink up, and this piece is going to go here. So I'm going to use the same first algorithm here. So upper, right, upper inverse, right inverse, upper inverse, face inverse, upper, and then back face. Now I have my middle layer. So if that ever happens, just use a little placeholder, and then usually works out. And you usually only have to do that one time. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.